Hello, my name is Shamsia Hamza Ibrahim. I am a staff working with TRT Africa. It's Ramadan, and definitely, when you talk about iftar, you're talking about different kind of delicacy. And today in Kibra's Kitchen, I will be cooking one of Northern Nigerian most popular meal, which is Kunu Kosai. Firstly, we'll be having the beans. This is an already peeled beans, and we have the onion, bell pepper, also have the chili pepper just to add up to the spice. And we'll be pairing this also with Kunu Kosai. Yeah, let's dive into it. Already peeled beans, we'll put it inside the blender. So I'm going to transfer the onion here, and I'm going to put this just a bit. When we finish, you're going to see how the batter is going to change color. It's going to come out like reddish. But I'm going to take some of the seed out so it wouldn't change the taste. The kosai and kunu is not just eaten during Ramadan, like during festive period, maybe during a wedding, naming ceremony, and also it's considered as a breakfast. And not just in northern Nigeria, even the southeastern part of Nigeria, they do use kunu and kosai as kind of breakfast, and it's called akara in western part of Nigeria. If you want, it's optional, the garlic. So in this, we're going to put our garlic just for us to just taste of the kosai. We don't need much water. We don't need it to be very watery. We need it thick enough so that it can give us a very good result. So now I'm going to put a bit of water before I start the blending. Now we're going to blend our ingredients. Oh, see, it's very thick. This is how our akara should be. Turning it till you get this consistency in your batter. Keep on turning it till maybe at least 10 minutes. We're starting to fry now. I'll put it like this. And now it's time for us to make our Kunu Kosai, which is made of millet and also tamarind. What I need first is for me to add up the soaked tamarind into the powdered millet. Here we go. Meanwhile, I already put my cinnamon powder into the mixture of the powdered millet. The next step is for us to add our sugar. So I'm going to put all the sugar. Our iftar is ready with kosai and Kunu Kosai. There is nothing better than this. I hope you all will enjoy it with me as well.